Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Oh, yeah. Well, nice thing about this place is they have a continental breakfast, all you can eat. Alright, let go. That's... Man, so many though. Anyway, we're off to our next adventure. We've been having a lot of late mornings, which is kind of nice.
Well, in Michigan it's like super late.
Well, yeah, that's true.
Not that late at home, it's only, what, 8:30?
Yeah. Okay, off we go.
This is our Native American ancestors, the Ojibways. They're from this area. Pretty cool. Whitefish Bay in the Upper Peninsula. And here is Point Iroquois Lighthouse. And I'm just gonna look down here really quick and go to our next destination.
Now, of course, I'm generalizing.
Aaron, look at the trees. I guess you can always watch it on video later.
What?
No, he's watching.
I was watching.
Aaron's being silly.
But we're about 21 minutes to our next stop.
No, we're not.
Oh, we're not. We are at Dollar Settlement, and there's a random train car for no real reason.
Well, it's
Are we near?
The actual downtown is right there.
Oh, the downtown.
But I bypassed the downtown of Dollar Settlement.
Is there even train tracks nearby?
I don't know.
Yeah, that was weird. Well, not for that big a car. Yeah. We went to Dollar Settlement, and now... What the heck are you doing?
Oh, they want me to go back to Dollar Settlement because that was my... that was the actual, I wanted to...
You're right. That's funny. I thought we were just going to be doing donuts for a while.
For Lakeshore Drive or Hugs Lake Superior.
Alright.
Actually, to the museum.
Gotcha.
I've been to Whitefish Point, like this area, and been rock hounding, but I never went to the museum.
Gotcha. Well, that ends today.
My dad's cheap.
Among other adjectives. We are in the Shipwreck Museum. Aaron has been looking forward to this day his entire life. Actually, this museum's pretty cool. Yeah.
Always scared me when I was a little kid, and I see pictures and it freaks me out.
Pretty cute little building. There's more buildings.
Aaron and I saw a map yesterday of all the ships that sunk in Lake Superior, and it's a ton, isn't it?
Yeah, this would be a lot of fun. Why? Oh, that'd be a lot of fun.
Going to shipwrecks.
I also want to dive with great white.
Oh, shipwrecks freak me out more than a shark will.
Really? I doubt that. If you had a choice between swimming with a great white or swimming down into a ship, you'd choose the great white. Don't touch too much, bud. Well, yeah, I don't want to do that. Yeah.
This is the first lighthouse built on Lake Superior, Whitefish Point. And why was it built on Lake Superior at Whitefish Point? Because of this dark and dangerous lake. Discovery of copper and iron ore in increase the traffic. Daddy, aren't you sad you didn't come up here? You're so sad, aren't you? You didn't get to see the creepy dolls. The soulless eyes. Yeah. I found another one. Yeah. Is this an audio animatronic? Nope. Creepy. Look, it's Carousel Progress. Look at that old radio, that's cool. He's playing cards and cribbage. Ooh, creepy picture. Why is Grandma doing all the work? She needs to rest. Right? And this, look at this girl looking out the window. That's creepy. All right. Let's get to it. Sure. Let's see if I can catch up to them. They're looking for rocks over there. I am looking for rocks over here. Now, I am not sure what I'm doing or what they're looking for, so I'm probably bringing back a whole bunch of crap. So if you see good rocks as I'm walking, feel free to yell at me that I'm missing them. Oh yeah, I have it on. Didn't notice. Anyway, we just ate Breakfast of Champions at the Shipwreck Museum. We're off now to Tahquamenon Falls. What Breakfast of Champions did you have?
We had ice cream sandwiches.
Yeah.
Oh, speaking of Breakfast of Champions, yesterday we didn't tell you because we were supposed to eat like kings yesterday at Burger King. But the closest Burger King, what did you say? How long
It was
apart?
an hour and 10 minutes
Hour and
away.
10 minutes.
Hour and 10 minutes away. So
Well, there was two of them, but they were both. One was an hour and 10 minutes, and the other direction was an hour and 20 minutes.
And I thought it was worth it, but the other two didn't. They won out 2 against 1, so we had. Oh well. Next time we see it,
No.
I don't even really
It's
care
just
that much.
funny that we can walk to a Burger King from our
Yeah,
house.
and why are we saying the word burger? Why are we saying the restaurant Burger King so often?
I don't know. Maybe they're gonna sponsor this video.
Maybe. Mom having her favorite drink, Diet Mountain Dew.
No,
It's
but
the second time you've been drinking at this trip.
I mean that's the only diet drink they had at the hotel the other day, and that I would like. I don't want Diet Coke.
We're at the upper Tahquamenon Falls, having our picnic lunch. Yeah. And this is nice.
Yeah, I'm glad I bought the salami the other day.
Right, yeah,
I wasn't wearing a mask.
Yeah. Yes.
Put mustard on every sandwich.
Of course I did. This is too nice for Starstruck. But Aaron said San Diego Zoo. I think that's the feel I have, but this path feels familiar. Or maybe Aaron and I have been here in a past life.
I haven't been here, but I have been here, but it doesn't look like how I remember it. Because I remember like picnicking right next to the falls, and I don't know if that's even possible.
Yeah, maybe not. I'd hate to bring all the food down here though.
I know, but I remember like parking right by the falls, and you could hear the rush and everything. I don't know.
Maybe your dad drove down. Maybe at one time this was a drivable path. The one, because you remember, you said you do remember one-way roads.
It was 20 years ago. So.
Right. 30 years ago, hon? You're old.
Oh, 20.
You did here when you were 20? Oh, I thought you were 10. I thought you were younger.
I was 20.
Oh. There's the Tahquamenon Falls. That's it. Oh yeah, we can. Hey Han, I want to see the pandas next.
Pandas?
Yeah.
I think we need to get on an airplane to see some pandas.
It's just another zoo reference, San Diego Zoo reference.
Well, that's a nice compliment though.
It is? Yeah, I wasn't dogging this at all. It's very pretty. Yeah, I love all the, yeah, I really like all the fern. I was staring at the ones by the, at the waterfall. They are. Mud isn't though, so avoid it. This is a pretty walk. I'm glad we're doing this instead. Doesn't seem to be too buggy. Q swarm.
I know.
Slug bug.
Oh.
He doesn't want to brought it. Weird. Is it dead?
No, he was.
It's on its side.
Yeah, but he's just curled up because he's scared.
Yeah, move him far away from his family. That's a good idea. Goodbye, orphan. Slug. Don't cry at night too hard. Shannon's been finding a... What?
He left orange stuff on my fingers.
Alright, we made it out of the nature walk, and now we're back at the main concourse. Aaron noticed that they have a Canadian flag and an American flag since we're so close to the border. That's pretty cool. And the Canadian flag looks like it's flying higher. Cool. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. But we're going to explore here, use the bathroom, and then head down to the lower falls. We'll see if we get as lucky parking down there. This is the interior of the concourse. Pretty cool. You look like a man that has to use the bathroom. Okay, lower falls time.
I made a
Oh yeah, she made a change into a more fitting shirt. Well, both as far as theming and as far as actual fitting her.
I like the color of it.
Yeah, it is cool. Not as quite as colorful as the last shirt, but it is very nice. It's more of a salmon pink, and you're more of a neon pink or rainbow.
There is a rainbow.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, there is, I guess.
Right? Is this a rainbow?
Yeah.
Let's see what the lower falls looks like. I'm excited. That's really pretty. Don't you think, Aaron?
Yeah.
Well, I think we should get our swimsuits and at least have them in a bag so when we walk over there,
Well,
we can find a place to change maybe.
boat rental to Islands of Adventure. That's crazy. That's going to be a long boat ride. Well, we wanted to do it, right? Cool.
Yeah. But I don't know about paddling you guys across.
You can do it. I always changed into swimsuits. We'll see what the beach is like, and maybe we go swimming.
There's no beach.
Oh, it's not a beach?
No.
Oh. Well, then we'll find out what's going on.
We hold this sign.
Mm-hmm. It is very pretty.
We hold this sign.
They're going in the water. I ain't gonna say dry, but I do have my swimsuit on in case I change my mind, but it's a little too crowded here for my taste. It is really pretty though. Let's go to this overlook and overlook them. Because I know they don't want to be overlooked.
Aaron! Aaron! It's in the Tahquamenon River! It's really high right now. It's really strong in the center. I tried going out there.
Hey, bud. Is the water fine? Oh, jeez. She's never gonna make it back. We're gonna go to the rougher part. Yeah, that was too easy. Aaron wanted a challenge. Careful, bud. Off to slide down.
Not that hard to get there, actually.
Well,
You just have to walk, that's the thing.
yeah. Shuffle.
Yeah. You can easily walk past the island. That's so cute. Come to this side a little. You're recording?
Yep.
I'm not over where I am, because we can see this like mouth dilation. It's like that movie. What was that movie about the like animals going downstairs?
I don't know. Over the hedge.
Yeah.
He's a cute little guy.
We just got our second frog out of the shrimp.
We did.
What?
It's eyelid frog.
What is that?
Because you can change his eyelids.
That's cool.
Is lower Tahquamenon frog.
That's a giant. We can eat that in the car?
I don't know.
Okay. No, that's fine. We can. One last look at this cute little guy.
It's crazy. He's a squirrel, but it's no squirrel.
It's a,
I've ever
yeah, I
seen.
know. That's not a squirrel I've seen.
That's cool.
It's a squirrel chipmunk hybrid thing.
I know. So cute.
Hey, Shannon, come here.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
You're cute.
I love it when you get the front of them though.
All right, we left lower. What is it?
Tahquamenon.
Tahquamenon.
Look at my shirt.
Lower. Oh yeah, Tahquamenon.
That's backwards.
The lower version. The lower falls.
Yeah.
That was fun. I liked it. Did you enjoy it, Aaron?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
And did you enjoy the pretzel and the cinnamon roll?
Yeah.
That was really good.
Yeah, it was good.
And I liked it. And Aaron found another frog, but you already saw that part.
Yeah. We're off. We're slowly making our way to the hotel for the night, and hopefully the skies. It looks like they're starting to part.
Yeah, but we're still far.
Yeah, we're still far. We're gonna hit the dark park 2 nights in a row,
Yeah.
and hopefully we can see lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of stars.
I hope so.
I hope so too. We are at the Heath M. Robinson Memorial Cut River Bridge. And we'll see what it's like. Hey, we saw the bridge. Now we're hiking down on one of the trails. It's pretty. Smells good.
What do you think of your mask though?
I'm good.
Always fun.
I'm not looking forward to climbing back up this.
I know. Oh, we have water and stuff inside.
Yeah. Isn't it pretty? You like it, bud?
You like it, Daddy?
Yeah, it's very pretty. Lake Michigan. Here's that water rushing in, but then it has to fight to get its way out into the lake. Now? Oh.
Bridge is gonna be swaying.
That's pretty crazy. Eyelid frog. Oh, here. Hold on for a little bit.
Wow, it's like almost going on our car.
Oh, you look surprised. Or happy.
I'm surprised.
So you're surprised, frog. There's the mystery shack.
Fun, fun, fun.
Yeah, somewhere. And over here, if the trees ever part, there's a Mackinaw Bridge. Somewhere. Never saw the big boy moose. Interesting. Well, we're taking the Mackinaw Bridge in a second.
Use the right lane to take the I-75 south ramp.
Almost can see it again. Nope. Well, they can get in the other way.
I can't.
Well, now you can.
It's so windy. Are you taking video?
Yeah, you're gonna have to go early.
What? I know.
Oh, okay.
It's so windy that the semis and the trailers are going at 20 miles an hour.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, this bridge does sway. We're not really on it yet.
I know.
Crazy. Look out with the camera the other way.
Yep, we're over water all right.
You don't think it's that long?
It's okay.
We're not even on it yet.
Why don't you get over so you're not on the...
The mighty Mac. That's just kind of scary.
No.
Just imagine if you're driving.
I'd be fine driving. I'll drive tomorrow since we're
Okay.
gonna go over. Yeah, it's really no big deal.
We're high. Look how high up we are.
Cool. We're high up in planes as well. It doesn't freak me out either. All right, that roadway inn and suites is where we're staying for the next 2 nights. Aaron, got a question for you. What's the last hotel room where we stayed in 2 nights in a row?
I don't know.
I know. I don't know either.
Probably not a second episode trip.
Second episode road trip? We did stay somewhere for 2 nights?
Maybe, I don't know.
And
Yeah.
right there's Mackinaw Bridge, like right there.
Oh yeah, right there's the exit. Or entrance, depending on how you see things. But we're gonna be having dinner and then exploring for a while. Man, the weather is perfect. Low mid 70s. No humidity though. Light breeze. Gorgeous. That looks like it might be our spot for dinner. If not today, it's tomorrow,
I
yeah.
mean, we're definitely gonna eat there before we leave this area.
Right. We're gonna, yeah. We still haven't figured out when's the last place we stayed 2 nights in a row. But we're gonna explore this area and then eventually get something to eat.
When we first pulled up, there was people like all sitting in the tables and stuff.
Yeah. Well, maybe Google is right. We'll see who wins, Google versus Facebook. Yeah, we found a portal to Six Flags Over Texas. It's actually a pretty cute shopping area. A lot of places closed, obviously. I'm sorry?
Then the guy has a little fake wig too. You know the hat?
Yeah. So you think he's really like 23 or something? Tomorrow we'll be taking that gateway over to Mackinaw Island. But for today, we are looking for dinner, just exploring. It's actually a cute little town. A lot of touristy trap spots. But the town's smaller than I thought it would be, honestly.
What?
The town is smaller than I thought it'd be, honestly.
Oh, sorry.
No, yeah, it's all your fault.
That is small.
But fun. We are eating at the Keyhole Bar and Grill. Aaron's getting a sub. You are getting a
wet burrito.
Yeah, you're excited.
I'm so excited.
And I'll try the steakhouse sub. It's nice that we're eating outside. It's a beautiful evening. Even though if we
Are you gonna get onion rings or french fries?
which one should I get?
Onion rings.
Okay, I'll get onion rings.
Do you like onion rings?
Yeah, I guess.
Or we get french fries. I don't know. Their french fries look good too though. Did you see they're like seasoned?
Okay.
Get french fries.
You'll figure out. You'll find out what I order. All right, we had way too much food.
I thought we were gonna wrap it up with the hotel.
Yeah, we're not wrapping it up right now though. We're gonna do the last one in the hotel. But there's the Mackinaw Bridge in the distance. That's pretty cool looking. We've got this amazing music. Phantom of the Opera? Weird. Anyway, beautiful evening. Alright, sorry I didn't show more videos of us walking around this downtown area. I was holding a wet burrito and subs. But this is actually a really cute downtown. I'm a fan. Over here is a cute pizza place. And there's a cute KFC. And I was telling them that if this place didn't have any, you know, these type of restaurants, that I was just wanted to get KFC and then have hot wings at the house. Does KFC have a line? KFC has a line. Yeah, that's really cute. I really like that place. Yeah, I know. Yeah, all right. They're closed, obviously, but. Oh yeah, that too. But no, that's a really cool, cute place. What's this line for? Is it for the KFC? Seriously? Wow. Is it free chicken day or something? Alright, that's weird. That's pretty cool. That's the pool right there. And we are room 217. No smoking, please. And Roadway Inn and Suits.
Yeah.
Yep. And this will be the last video of the day, and actually let's do the roomy view. This is smaller room, but it's fine. It's a typical hotel room. But yeah, it's the final.
Did you step on the outside? The outside's closed like 11 again.
Yeah, when we were walking out, I did it before we were going downtown. This is the last video for today, but it's not the last video we're gonna take before we go to sleep, right, Aaron?
Yeah.
So what are we doing?
We're going to the dark sky park.
Yeah, but we're gonna go at about 12:30 in the morning, so we're gonna use that as part of tomorrow's episode. Now, does it consider part of tomorrow's episode if we still haven't gone to bed? Yeah, we don't know either, but we're gonna just wrap it up now. Go over it by Mom. I'll just be narrating on this because I don't feel like getting in between you two. Good day. What was your favorite part? Go to Mom first.
Probably going to the falls.
Oh, which part? The upper or lower?
Upper.
You?
I like the lower falls.
Yeah, I actually.
I got
Let's,
a shirt.
what's that?
I got a shirt.
Yeah, you got a shirt. I prefer the lower falls too. When we got in the running water, that was actually kind of nice. I enjoyed
That
that.
was your favorite part of today?
That was my favorite part of today.
That
And
makes me happy.
good. And I liked doing the downtown and having dinner. That was nice too. But yeah, that was my favorite part. And since we're not
My
going,
next favorite part is going to be drinking that coffee that I'm brewing right now.
because we're gonna still be up for about 3 hours before going to bed, maybe 4.
I'm really tired.
Yeah. But we got to do it, right?
Yes.
All right.
I'd rather just do it rather than going to sleep and then setting an alarm.
Yeah.
That sounds like a lot of fun and crazy.
But
I think tomorrow will be like, why did we do that?
and I honestly, what I would think even more is that we'd hear the alarm go and say, "Oh, let's just do it tomorrow," and then we stay asleep. I think that's what we would have done.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
All right. So, Aaron, press the button for a few hours for now.